After the equipment arrives at the site, you can first observe the overall. After the equipment arrives at the site, be sure to add number 46 hydraulic oil, because the equipment is without oil when it leaves the factory, so you must add the oil before using the equipment. This gauge is similar to the one above. It is a total pressure gauge. This is used to limit the position. It is same with this side. This is to prevent the oil cylinder from pushing over and damaging the mold. There are two pressure regulating valves here. These are all adjusted, basically no need to adjust. The overall situation is like this. First step. Open the cabinet. The power supply we connected is 380 voltage. You should connect 440 voltage. Free leave wires. After connecting, this is the power switch. This is the equipment power switch. Turn on the power and the whole equipment is powered on. Now let's explain how to change the tooling modes. Before changing the toolings, must be switched to manual mode. In manual mode, turn the switch to backward. Move the main spindle cylinder backward. Then turn the switch to the middle position. Remove these two screws. Before changing the tooling, be sure to turn off the power switch first. We forgot to turn it off just now. Be sure to turn off the power switch first. Remove the clamping mode. Loose this screw. Remove this mold. This is how to remove the tooling. Next, it is how to install the tooling. Use the hose to match and find the corresponding mold. Put it in here and push it tight. Then tighten this screw. Then the side of the tool with the steps facing inwards. Tighten the screws. This completes the tooling replacement. Then turn on the power. Now, we will tell you how to trial this size. When we trail, the machine needs to be in manual mode. Look at this position, press 1 convolution. This position is wrong. Move the cylinder forward first. There is a limit screw here. Twist forward. Then the cylinder moves back. Notice, by adjusting the position of the cylinder, the die must be stuck in the groove of the first convolution of the bellows. Adjust the position. Then clamp. Check if there is any jamming during the clamping process. Make sure it is stuck in the groove of the bellows. Cylinder forward to push. Observe whether it is tight. If that is not pressed tightly, adjust this place. This place rotates back a little bit. Adjust little by little. Cylinder forward. Unclamp. Then observe whether the compressed convolution is qualified. We feel that this is not enough, so we need to adjust the cylinder a little bit. After trailing, turn all knobs to the middle position. Then switch to automatic mode. Now let's make one. After putting the hose in, just step on the pedal. Step like this. The above is how to replace the tooling and how to adjust the stroke. After trailing, tighten the nut. Then we can mass produce. The process of replacing the large-sized tooling here is the same. Turn off the power switch first. Remove the 4 screws here. Take out the tooling. The method of replacing tooling is the same. Find the new tooling of the corresponding size. Install and tighten the 4 screws. These 2 dies are also replaced like the small size dies. There are 7 screws on the back of each dies. Remove them and then install the corresponding new dies. Stroke trailing. The die must be stuck in the groove of the first convolution. This position is not okay now, so we need to move this stroke forward. There is a limit sensor here. Move until the light is on. Adjust the position and stroke, trailing. Check if this edge is qualified. After passing, adjust all buttons to the middle position. Set your automatic mode. Start pressing convolutions. It will press sometimes. This is done.